today's video, I am doing a poor man's rack. Building a poor man's rack. I've got my drill here, and I've taken my, used to be Excalibur tubes, but I am making a poor man's rack. Now, actual shells will not be in here, I don't think. I think I'm mainly just using it for like Comet and mine shells, but yeah, stay tuned. This poor man rack is finished. It's a 5-shotter, as you can see. I angled it so the middle one is straight up. The two sides are again at an angle, and then the last two are even more further out. But I might add another row because I have all this space right here. So I might add another row, but if not, then this is it. And I hope you guys liked this video. I don't suggest doing it like this just because there's no space in it, but I had to do it because it was a last minute thing I needed for some Comet shells, and I don't have any fan racks. So, yeah, but stay tuned. I've got a lot more videos coming up, so pyro on, DB.